Welcome to this tutorial. I'm going to go over how to set up the Twitter and Instagram widgets that you see here on in the footer here. This version of the theme might be a little different than the Elegant Child themes, the demo site, but this one's on my server here. So I'll be showing how to run through that and set it up. So first things first, what you need to do, and I believe it'll be in the list of recommended plugins, is install the Rotating Tweets plugin and the WP Instagram widget. They're both free. Once you install them, we'll go through the Rotating Tweets first. Once you install them, Rotating Tweets should give you an alert up top to set it up. If not, you can go to Settings and then Rotating Tweets. And it walks you through here step by step on how to get these keys down here. And so if you see the first one, go to my applications page on Twitter. I usually open that in the new link, and then you can sign in. You would hit create a new app, and then it walks you through how to create a new app. Once you're done creating your app, you'll see a page somewhat like this. You can go to the Keys and Access Tokens tab, and that's where you're going to get these first couple keys right off the bat. And then down here you have your access tokens. If you don't see these, there'll be a button to generate your access token and token secret, and that is what you put here in this area. The other plugin, the Instagram plugin, you just install it, and then it's ready to go. You put all the settings in the widget area. So to set up the widget areas for this, go ahead and go to Appearance and then Widgets. And I've already created the Twitter feed and Instagram feed on mine, but you would actually need to go here and do Twitter feed, create that one, and then do Instagram feed and create that one. After you create them for the Twitter feed one, you're basically going to drag in a Rotating Tweets widget into this area, and then you'll see here that it's pulling from the keys that you gave it earlier. So I left the title on here, Twitter name on here. I'll go ahead and put that in. Type of tweets, user timeline default, that's great. Include retweets, why not? Up to you on that. I like to shorten the links. Open all links in new window tab, yes. How many tweets? You can obviously go back a long way. I usually do like 5. The normal speed is fine. I like fade. I used to do scroll up, but fade's pretty sweet. And then the original one is fine with me. You can mess around with these and see how you want to show it here. Time data tweet, I like that. Name person tweeting, I like that. The source of tweet, I usually leave off. And then I usually leave these off too, but I feel like they don't look too bad down here. Favorite, tweet, reply. So yeah, I'll save that. Oh, and then I can show a follow. Yeah, let's show. I usually just do show button only on that. And so now you'll see that it's got the Twitter branded follow, even though we have this one right underneath it. So I probably don't need that one since we have that one right there. So I'm actually going to just say none on that. There we go. And then for the Instagram feed, you just drag in the Instagram widget here, and then put in your username, how many photos you want. Thumbnail is great. Open links in a new tab, and then save it, and you'll get this layout right here. And then we have the follow button down here. So you're probably wondering, well, how do I edit these follow buttons? And what about these over here? So the rest of the footer, I believe, is in the Divi library here. Under main footer here in these layouts. When you install the Divi Everywhere plugin, you should be able to import these layouts. And this main footer, that's where these are all pulling in from. So For example, this sidebar here, it's pulling in the Twitter feed sidebar that we just made. Same with this sidebar, it's pulling in the Instagram feed. And then of course you have your titles up here. Here are the buttons. So there's the Twitter button. So you'd want to put your Twitter link there to your Twitter account. And then same thing here, you can put your Instagram information up there. Or you could get rid of those buttons and just use the Twitter, the button from the plugin if you'd like. And then the social media follow is just using divvies built in one here. So I would just suggest duplicating one of these if you need other widgets or icons there in this area right here. And then the last area is just a good old text area for you to put in your info. So yeah, so that's the basics on how to set up the Twitter and Instagram widget, and then the other footer items real quick. For the bottom area here, that's actually in the Divi library, and that's going to be this bottom footer area right there. And I believe it's just a text area as well. So again, thanks for checking out Josephine, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.